Here are the tools needed to replace the potentiometer. A multi-bit screwdriver, T27 and possibly T10 Torx security bits, a 1x16-inch Allen key, an adjustable wrench, and a 7x16-inch 6-point socket. Let's get started. First, you'll need to take off the bottom cover of the gun. If your gun looks like the version shown in this video, simply remove the 4 security screws with the T27 Torx security bit. The later version of the gun has a 2-piece bottom cover, with additional hardware that holds the 2 halves together. A T10 Torx security bit, along with an adjustable wrench, can be used to remove the remaining screws and nuts. Once all the screws are taken out, slide the cover down. If you have the 2-piece version, you can just remove the cover and set it aside. Next, you'll need to remove the segment gear. This is so we can access the screw head that's sitting below the small gear. Use the 7x16-inch 6-point socket to remove the nut. Take off the washer and segment gear. Use the same socket and an adjustable wrench to remove the 2 nuts that are holding the 2 lower brackets together. It's best if you keep the screws in place, so don't remove those. Slide the back bracket down into the lower cover, or set it off to the side. Next, you'll need to remove the small gear on the end of the potentiometer. Use the 1x32-inch Allen key to loosen the set screw and take off the small gear. Use the adjustable wrench to loosen the nut that's holding the potentiometer to the bracket. Remove the nut and washer. Grab the replacement potentiometer and swap it with the broken one. Place the new potentiometer back into the bracket. Use the washer and nut you took off earlier to secure the new potentiometer to the bracket and slide the small gear onto the shaft. Tighten the set screw onto the flat surface and make sure the orientation of the gear is correct. Slide the back bracket up and reattach the back bracket into place with the 2 nuts you took off. This next part is important. Make sure that the gun is tilted as far forward as possible. Then, spin the potentiometer as far clockwise as it will go. Once you hit the stop, spin it back counterclockwise a small amount. Once everything is in position, put on the segment gear and tighten it down with the corresponding nut and washer. Doing these steps will ensure that the potentiometer won't break from over-rotation. Slide the lower cover back into place and reattach it to the rest of the gun. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out by calling our technical support hotline or emailing rtsupport@betson.com.